The Battle of the Yser, fought from October 16th to November 2nd, 1914, was a significant early engagement in World War I. This battle took place along the Yser River in Belgium and marked a crucial moment in the Western Front's stabilization. The Belgian army, under King Albert I, along with French and British support, aimed to halt the German advance towards the strategic ports of Dunkirk, Calais, and Boulogne. The Germans, led by General Erich von Falkenhayn, sought to outflank the Allies and capture these vital locations to cut off Allied supply lines. The Belgians, despite being heavily outnumbered and outgunned, decided to make a stand along the Yser River. The battle saw intense fighting, with both sides suffering heavy casualties. The Belgians employed a desperate but ingenious tactic by opening the sluice gates and flooding the low-lying areas of the Yser plain. This created an impassable barrier for the German troops and halted their advance. The flooding turned the tide in favor of the Allies, forcing the Germans to abandon their offensive. The Battle of the Yser effectively stopped the German advance in western Belgium and stabilized the front, leading to the prolonged trench warfare that characterized much of World War I. The battle showcased the resilience and determination of the Belgian forces and underscored the importance of innovative defensive strategies in modern warfare. It also marked the end of mobile warfare on the Western Front, transitioning into a stalemate of trench warfare.